Just got an order of Apollo Cigs, the Superior Ego kit in black. Tearing into the liquids chosen here. Here's Baja Burst. Pumpkin pie, that's seasonal, that's for the holidays here. Watermelon, always delicious. And classic tobacco. Can always have too much tobacco around because, you know, at the end of the day, those are the ones we really compare. Now, busting open the kit. Looks like a leather carry case. 2 Ego batteries. USB charger. It says bottle. Let's see what they actually mean by that. And yeah, it's a bottle, alright. So that's for the liquids. Here's charger. And we have a wall adapter. So that's the Apollo Cigs offer. Real sharp Egos, branded with Apollo. Looking forward to using this one.